Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel RM Learning. In today's video we will see a paragraph writing on kitchen gardening, a hobby from English Grammar and Composition of Class 10. So, let's get started. Kitchen gardening, a hobby. People have different types of hobbies that they like to pursue in their leisure time. A healthy hobby keeps a person busy in a productive way. Also, it gives them pleasure and keeps them mentally healthy too. Some of the hobbies include sewing, trekking, photography, painting, etc. My hobby is kitchen gardening. It keeps me in harmony with nature, plants, and other flora. I enjoy cultivating such fruits, vegetables, and herbs in my kitchen garden which I need every day. Kitchen gardening is not just gardening. It cultivates a lot of good habits in me, such as eating healthy homegrown fruits and vegetables. It also develops a great deal of patience in me, watching my plants every day, caring them for a long period, watering and pruning them. Kitchen gardening is a healthy hobby which keeps me active and give a sense of accomplishment when my family enjoy fresh organic vegetables, fruits, and herbs. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more educational videos.